Former Tivoli strongman killed in downtown Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A former strongman from Tivoli Gardens was shot dead by gunmen in a car park at the corner of West and Tower Street in downtown Kingston on Tuesday night. He has been identified as 55-year-old Kirk Orlando Francis, otherwise called Judas, a higgler from Whitney Drive in Washington Garden, St. Andrew. It is reported that at around 7:20 p.m., Francis was about to enter his blue 2014 Honda Civic motor vehicle when he was attacked and shot multiple times by unknown assailants. The gunman then fled the scene on a motorcycle. Relatives rushed Francis to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. Francis is understood to once be a popular figure in Tivoli Gardens and is well known in West Kingston. No motive has yet been established for the killing. Francis was killed just hours before he celebrated his birthday, and those who knew him said that chances are he would have spent the day with his loved ones or at a football match. The police are continuing their investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.